Students, myself Dr. Ramesh, a chemistry faculty, ABN PRR College of Science, Kovur, which is affiliated to Adikavi Nannaya University, Rajamahendravaram. Today, we are going to know about the syllabus in our 5th semester. BSc Final Year Chemistry, 5th semester, we have two papers. Paper 5A, Paper 5B. This Paper 5B is also known as Paper 6. The title of this both papers is same. The title is Inorganic, Organic and Physical Chemistry. This is the common title for Paper 5A and Paper 5B. Now let us know the syllabus for both the papers individually. First, we know about Paper 5A. In this Paper 5A, we have three topics: inorganic, organic, physical. These are the three branches. In this Paper 5A, we have 5 units. The first branch, inorganic, we have 2 units. Unit 1, coordination chemistry. So in this coordination chemistry, we learn about complex compounds. So we know very well that in our second year, D block elements, transition metals, forms complexes. So in this unit, we discuss about the complex compounds. Complex compounds, the theories related to complex compounds. There are 4 theories: Werner's theory of coordination compounds, Sidgwick electronic interpretation theory, valence bond theory and crystal field theory. These 4 theories explains the formation of complexes. Similarly, IUPAC nomenclature for complex compounds and coordination number 4, coordination number 6 complexes. We also know about the isomerism of complexes, tetrahedron complexes, square planar complexes, octahedral complexes, etc. in this unit. Then come to the another unit, Unit 2. In Unit 1, we learn about the formation of complexes. In Unit 2, we learn about spectral and magnetic properties of metal complexes. Spectral behavior, the types of magnetic properties, magnetic susceptibility, determination, experimental determination of magnetic susceptibility by Gauss method, etc. We learn about spectral and magnetic properties of metal complexes in this unit. In this unit, we have another chapter, stability of complexes. So in this stability of complexes, we learn about the thermodynamic stability, kinetic stability of the complexes, what are the factors which affects the stability of the complexes, and also we learn the composition of the complexes by Jobs method, mole ratio method, etc. That means in this Unit 2, we have 2 chapters: spectral and magnetic properties of metal complexes, second one, stability of metal complexes. So therefore, these 2 units are in inorganic chemistry. Then come to the another branch, organic chemistry. In this organic chemistry also we have 2 units. Unit 3, nitro-hydrocarbons. That means nitro functional groups, NO2, nitro-hydrocarbons. It is nothing but nitroparaffins, nitroalkanes. We learn about nitroalkanes, nitroparaffins. So classification of nitrohydrocarbons, their preparations, properties, and mainly some important reactions like Neff reaction, Mannich reaction, Michael addition and reduction types of reactions in this unit. Then come to this unit for nitrogen compounds. So in these nitrogen compounds, we learn about the nitrogen containing functional groups, organic functional groups. Say for example, amines, NH2, primary amine this is, amines. We learn about aliphatic amines, aromatic amines, and also we learn about the primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary amines. That means classification of amines and their preparations, properties, and separation of amines, etc. in this nitrogen compounds. The final section, physical chemistry. In this final branch, physical chemistry, we have only one unit, that is unit 5, thermodynamics. In this thermodynamics, we learn the basics, entropy, enthalpy. Thermochemistry means entropy, enthalpy, first law of thermodynamics, second law of thermodynamics, and Joule-Thomson effect, Carnot cycle, Carnot's efficiency, and heat capacities, Cp, Cv, and relation Cp minus Cv is equal to R derivation, etc. in this unit 5. Therefore, these are the 5 units in paper 5A. Then come to the paper 5B or paper 6. In this paper 5B, also we have inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, physical chemistry branches. Total again 5 units. In this inorganic chemistry branch, we have one unit. In this one unit, we have 2 chapters. First one, reactivity of metal complexes. That means we learn in the paper 5A, we learn coordination chemistry, then formation of complexes, spectral and magnetic properties of complexes, stability of complexes, etc. Then in this paper 5B, in unit 1, first chapter, we discuss about the reactivity of metal complexes. That means we have 2 types of metal complexes, labile and inert metal complexes. Then SN1, SN2 ligand substitution reactions, SN1, SN2 reactions. Here also, not only in the organic chemistry, in this inorganic chemistry, in metal complexes also involved in SN1, SN2 reactions. Substitution, nucleophilic unimolecular reactions, substitution, nucleophilic bimolecular reactions, especially in square planar complexes. Then, in the second chapter, Bio-Inorganic Chemistry. So in this Bio-Inorganic Chemistry, we learn about essential elements, that is sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, iron, cobalt, such type of elements in means Bio-Inorganic Chemistry. What are the uses? Biologically, how they are useful, we discuss in this chapter. Metalloporphyrines, structure of hemoglobin, structure of cyanocobalamin, vitamin B12, etc. we learned in this topic, bio-inorganic chemistry. Then come to this organic chemistry part. In this we have 3 units, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4. 3 units are in organic chemistry. Then in this unit 2 we have heterocyclic compounds. Heterocyclic compounds. So we learn up to second year, we learn about homocyclic compounds, like benzene is a homocyclic or carbocyclic compounds. So carbocyclic, in the ring all our carbon atoms are present. Apart from carbon atom, other elements like nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur are also present in the cycle along with carbon. Then those are called heterocyclic compounds. So we have totally 18 heterocyclic compounds. In them we learn about 4 molecules. One is pyridine, pyrrole, furan, thiophene. Pyrrole, furan, thiophene and pyridine. That means we learn about 5-membered heterocyclic compounds and 1 6-membered heterocyclic compounds, their preparations, properties, etc. Then come to this unit 3, carbohydrates. So what are first of all we learn about the definition of carbohydrates, then classification, biological classification of carbohydrates, and then we have monosaccharides, glucose, fructose, structural elucidation of glucose, structural elucidation of fructose, that means open chain structure of glucose, cyclic structure of glucose, pyranose structure of glucose, etc. Totally structure of glucose, structure of fructose, and also the conversions from aldopentose to aldohexose, etc. Conversions are also learned in this topic. Then come to this unit 4, amino acids and proteins. We know very well that amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. First of all, both the amino group and carboxylic acid group are both the functional groups are present in the same molecule, then those are called amino acids. So their preparations, properties, especially physical properties like deuterion, isoelectric point, etc. And then proteins, their classification, so etc. we learn in this unit. These unit 3 carbohydrates, unit 4 amino acids are called biomolecules. Biomolecules. Then come to the last one, physical chemistry part. In this physical chemistry, we have 2 chapters. One is chemical kinetics. In this chemical kinetics, we learn about rate of reaction, order of a reaction, molecularity. It means determination of rate constant of 0 order reaction, first order reaction, second order reaction, and of course third order reaction. Then after that we learn about the effect of temperature on reaction rate, that is factors affecting reaction rate, concentration, temperature and catalyst, etc. we learn about this chapter, in this chapter. Then come to this photochemistry, second one. So first of all we learn about it is nothing but the light chemistry. In this we learn the definition, then differences between thermochemical reactions and photochemical reactions, laws of photochemistry, Gauss's dropper law, Stark-Einstein law, so etc. And also we learn about the quantum yield, high quantum yield, low quantum yield calculations by using reactions like hydrogen chloride formation, hydrogen bromide formation, etc. And then fluorescence, phosphorescence, chemiluminescence. All these topics are in this in this photochemistry unit. So all these 2 papers, mainly all these 2 papers are very important in not only in the examination point of view, but also in the main MSc chemistry entrance examinations, PG set examinations. So students, please concentrate on these units. The 2 papers are learned carefully. So in the next video, I will start with a new unit. Thank you.